Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of me trying to turn 100 rupees to 10,000 rupees just through trading. In the last part, if you've seen, I have turned 100 rupees to 220 rupees and अभी बज रहा है Saturday का रात. अभी मेरे को एक trade दिख रहा है. It is a Saturday. I'm still thinking if I should take the trade or no, but I'm gonna show you the trade. Maybe I take this trade and it hits my full TP. Let's see what happens. I'll show you guys the trade. As you can see, this is the account. You can see the account here, 10,000 YT. 220 rupees is there on the account, and if I go to order, you can see I didn't take any other trades. It's only the Ethereum trade I took with a cash flow of, you can see, 147, 148 realized PNL, and after fees around 142. The reason why I'm thinking I should enter the trade, I have made this two screen so that I can watch both the markets. Over here, this is the BTC market, and over here it is the Ethereum market. I'm thinking of entering the trade on Ethereum market. This trade is against the trend, slight opposite trend trade, and the reason being why I want to take this trade is because if you see, yesterday we took this long trade, we got exited out over here, and then the price just kept falling down. After that it gave us a retracement, and abhi dikh raha hoga aapko, this is the 9 and 20 EMA. The 9 and 20 EMA also had a crossover, and the price broke the 9 and 20 EMA, came back under, gave a retest to the 9 and 20 EMA, and then it's forming an engulfing candle. Now if this candle in the next 36 minutes अगर इस structure के नीचे close होता है candle, ये वाले structure के नीचे candle का body close होता है, then I might enter this trade with a stop loss here on top of the swing, and my TP will be the next area of interest. But the reason I'm still thinking if I should enter the trade or no is because it is a weekend, and weekends पे अगर आपको पता होगा तो low volume होता है, and volume के बिना trade लेना थोड़ा risky हो जाता है. But I will not risk the entire amount. I'm gonna risk probably like 40-50 rupees on this trade. If this candlestick closes as I intend it to close, then I'll probably take the trade on Ethereum, and probably I'm gonna start with an RR of 1:2, and अगर वो hit होता है then I will start trailing stop loss like I did yesterday, and let's see how far we can take it down. If it doesn't work out as I intended, then वो stop loss लेके फिर हमारा account 180-170 पे पहुंच जाएगा again. तो guys, अभी बज रहा है around 8:30, and अभी market का वो candle is about to close. I'm gonna show you guys, and maybe I'm gonna take this entry in the next 1.5 minutes. आपको दिख रहा होगा ये वाला Ethereum का, ये वाला BTC का. Ethereum का चार्ट पे आपको दिख रहा होगा, this candle is closing below this body structure. So there is another 58 seconds left. You can see my leverage also 50x. So I'm gonna go in this trade with 2 lots, and this is on the 1 hour time frame, so it's gonna take a while to play out. But yeah, there is 40 seconds left. I'm gonna wait 40 seconds. I'm going a short. Enter the trade right now. Taken the entry on the trade, and I just took the entry. As you can see, it is right now 20:30, around 8:30, and the date is 22nd August 2026. Let's see what happens in the trade. I'm gonna update you guys if anything. Trade update. It is currently 12 in the night or Sunday morning 12. I'm gonna show you guys the trade. It's been around 3 to 4 hours since I took the trade, and it's still running. It's looking bad right now, but then also didn't stop us out yet, so I think that's a good sign. I'll show you guys the trade, and let's see what's going on. This is the trade. We entered the trade at this engulfing candle after it broke the structure. One candle formed below the structure, and then the price is having a retracement. Now it is sort of respecting these EMA. Then if it breaks through this trend line and EMA, it's gonna stop us out, and then we can watch a pretty big move till here. Then it might retrace. अभी मेरा जो है stop loss उधर ही रखा है. I didn't move my stop loss. It's at 0.55 USD only. Right now we are running at a drawdown of 0.33 USD, and right now if I show you the account as well, you can see it's at 189 rupees right now. अभी रात पर चलने देता हूँ. अभी मैं जाके सो रहा हूँ, and if you wanna see, it is right now 12:06 in the morning, 23rd August 2026. तो अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है ट्रेड में. अभी मैं जाके सोऊंगा. Now I'll go ahead for bed. Good morning guys. It is 8:20 in the morning. The trade yesterday मैंने जो लिया था, the trade chose to fucking wick us out and then go down. Came back down. Now it's having a retracement again. Why have I not re-entered the trade? Because we didn't get confirmation. मैं कब enter करूँगा? When this candle closes below this zone, that is when I'm gonna take the entry again. If not, no entry. You can see 168.13 rupees. Sucks, but क्या ही कर सकते हैं. अभी trading के game का part है, तो trade update and अभी मेरे को alert बजा. I took an entry but I wasn't able to record the entry. I recorded a screen recording of me taking the entry. I think you already saw that before. वो मैंने लिया था and अभी मैं आपको trade दिखाता हूँ, trade update देता हूँ. अभी I came home. As you can see, this is the trade I taken the entry. यहाँ पर entry लिया था मैंने ये वाले breakdown पे और अभी candle ने ये break किया, retest किया ये मेरे को and if this candle in the next 3 minutes closes under this low like it broke out, it will be a good sell trade and my risk in this is slightly more. It's like 50% of my account. $1 का risk लिया है and अभी account में 179 running PNL के साथ 178 रुपीस है, 179 रुपीस. तो अभी देखते हैं क्या होता है इस ट्रेड में. तो guys, अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं, that means we have officially gotten stopped out of the trade and guess what? Account blown. ये वाला मैंने लास्ट पार्ट पे भी मैंने अटेम्प्ट किया था बट उस टाइम भी मेरा अकाउंट ब्लो हुआ था तो इसलिए मैंने आई स्टॉप्ड अपलोडिंग ऑन यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स एंड इस बार भी सेम हुआ. शुड आई स्टॉप और शुड आई नॉट? दैट्स अप टू यू गाइस टू डिसाइड. इफ यू गाइस वांट मी टू गिव इट वन मोर अटेम्प्ट आई विल डू इट and if not, and also मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि we will start a series of episodes where I'm gonna share with you my live trades I take on my PropFirm account, जिसपे on which I will buy a new account and I will record every single trade I take on that account and explaining the logic behind it for the reason I'm taking the trade. तो चलिए guys, मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, peace out, like the video.